When you're new to industry, fit up can be a little intimidating. I want you to know, clamps are always going to be helpful. If any of your seams don't quite align and/or there's a little bit of offset, use a Bessie clamp. Fit it in the appropriate location. Once you fit it in the location, tighten it up as required until you get your piece of steel in the correct location. It's better to fix it now before starting to weld, that way you're not fighting an uphill battle. Consistency is always key to any good fabricated piece. Take your time, enjoy the process of learning, and I'll see you in future videos.